Cuckoo.
Hey everyone, and welcome back to Cheza. So in this video, what you want to do is set up the collision box for the player character, Amani. So the first thing you want to do is have sprite selected, just like that. And then in the bottom panel here, for our assets, you want to open the Amani folder and then trace amaniframes.png. And then what you want to do with amaniframes.png is drag it all the way to the right into the texture property, just like so. So once that is done, you should see the Amani frames reflected in our panel here. So the next thing that you want to do is still over on the right panel here, click on animation, and where it says H frames, which is horizontal frames, you want to have this number at 17. And 17 is because these are the number of frames that our sprite sheet here has. If you count all these images individually, they add up to 17. So let's go ahead and have that number all the way up to 17, just like that, such that now it's just one frame that is visible. So after you're done with setting the proper frame, the next thing we're going to do is set the bounding box or the collision box for our player character, Amani. So for that, we're going to need a different frame. So what you want to do here in the frame property, you want to move this all the way up to frame number 8, which is our idle frame. So you might want to zoom in just a bit, and then on the upper left panel here, click collision box, and then now this blue box here with all these dots around it, you want to drag these dots like so. And what you want to do with this rectangle, this is our collision box, you want to make sure that it moves somewhat all the way nearly to the bottom of our feet and all the way nearly to the top of our head, not fully to the top of our head, something close to this. You want to make sure that it's just a bit smaller than the player character. You don't want the bounding box to be larger than the player character in terms of either width or height. So I think this for me works well. For you, of course, depending on your accuracy in dragging, the bounding box is going to be a little different, but try to have it as be as close in dimensions as to the one on the screen right now. So that's about it for this video. Don't forget to like the video. Also, if you'd like to see more content coming up, please subscribe. And lastly, if you have friends that you think will enjoy learning about game development, please share this video with them. I'd be really appreciative if this tutorial got to as many aspiring developers as possible. Thank you, and see you in the next one.